In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use array formula in Google Sheet. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet open in your browser. You should already have some example data ready to work with, such as a list of items, their quantities, and their prices. This will make it much easier to see how the array formula works in a real situation. Look for the column where you want to display the final result, such as a total value for each row. Find the header cell beside your existing total column or the place where you want this automated calculation to appear. Click on that cell and give it a clear name, like Auto Total. Naming the header helps you keep your sheet organized and also makes it obvious that this column will be filled automatically by a formula. Now, move your focus down to the first empty cell directly under that Auto Total header. This is where we're going to type our array formula. Instead of writing a formula in each row one by one, an array formula lets you write a single formula that automatically fills down through all the rows in that column. Click into that cell and type the following formula exactly. Array formula if A2 AA, B2 BC2C. Let's quickly break down what this does so it makes sense while you type it. The array formulae part tells Google Sheets that this formula should apply to an entire range, not just a single cell. The if portion checks whether the cells in column A, starting from A2 downwards, are empty. If a row in column A is empty, the formula returns a blank result for that row, which keeps your sheet tidy and prevents strange zeros from appearing. If the cell in column A is not empty, the formula multiplies the value in column B by the value in column C for that same row. So for each row, B2 times C2, B3 times C3, and so on, all the way down. After you've typed the formula, press enter. You should see the auto total column instantly fill with calculated values for every row that has data in columns A, B, and C. Finally, click on the formula cell again so you can review it and confirm everything is correct. You'll notice the formula only exists in that one top cell, but its effect is applied to the entire column. This is the power of using array formula in Google Sheets. One formula, automatic results for all your rows.